I wake up early in the morning. My phone is ringing loudly. I feel confused. I look at my phone quickly. It is my girlfriend. She is coming home tonight. Her business trip ended early. I feel excited. Then I look around my bedroom. The room is a mess. There are dirty clothes everywhere. There are empty soda cans near the bed. There is a half-eaten pizza slice on the floor. Suddenly, I feel nervous. This is a simple English story. Listen and learn. I walk into the living room. The living room is even worse. There are snacks on the sofa. There are empty cups on the table. There are pizza boxes by the television. Then I look into the kitchen. The sink is full of dirty dishes. Some cups still have coffee inside. The apartment smells strange. I need to clean everything fast. I start in the living room first. I pick up everything carefully. I put the trash into a big bag. Then I open the window. Cool morning air enters the apartment. The room already feels better. Next, I clean the kitchen carefully. I wash the plates one by one. I clean the counter quickly. I wipe water from the table. After that, I return to the bedroom. I carry my dirty clothes to the washing machine. Then I make the bed neatly. I laugh quietly. I lived alone for 1 week. How could I make such a mess? Next, I clean the bathroom. I wipe the mirror carefully. I fold the towels neatly. I clean the floor slowly. Time passes quickly. Outside, the sky becomes dark blue. Warm lights shine outside the window. I sit down for a moment. I feel tired now. Then I check my phone again. I've been cleaning all day. My girlfriend will arrive soon. I sit on the sofa and look around. Then I remember something. The pizza slice is still on the bedroom floor. I quickly throw it away. Then I vacuum the floor one last time. Finally, the apartment feels calm again. I sit down again. Everything feels clean and fresh. I feel tired, but I also feel happy. A few minutes later, I hear the door open. My girlfriend comes inside with her suitcase. She looks around the apartment. Then she smiles at me. I feel relieved. Later, we drink tea together by the window. The city is quiet tonight. We talk about her business trip. The apartment feels cozy again. Today, my phone wakes me up. My girlfriend's coming home tonight. My apartment is very messy. I clean every room carefully. I wash dishes and clean the bathroom. Then I remember the pizza slice on the floor. Finally, my girlfriend arrives home. Now the apartment feels like home again. Thank you for listening. Watch another easy English story and continue learning.